Baupte. Shit, that was a rough day for me, sir. Pardon my French. That town was supposed to be the link-up for the 82nd and the 101st. The last stop on the road to St. Sauveur. Hell, we walked in expecting to see some airborne. We barely made it to the edge of town before the Germans hit us with a Panzerschreck on the bridge. And from there it got bad.
Crowds are disappearing left and right, like they are jackrabbits. 3 more there, near the train track. The fucking train! Let's get off the bridge, Red! Shit! Red's down! Medic! There is no medic! Look where we are, Paddock! We're gonna fix you up, Red. Just hang in there. Look at you. Just hang in there.
Figure's the only married man in the squad with his ring blown off.
We ain't got time here for something pretty! Fryer, just wrap the damn thing up! Why are you yelling at me, Kansas boy? Fire at the fucking Germans! Can you fire a weapon? Sorry, can you fire a weapon? I wouldn't ask if we didn't have traps up our ass. Double time! Those bastards have Panzerfaust! You have to clear out the marsh before I can move safely.
In and keep up the fire!
I'm taking some fire here!
Paddock!
We're out the other way!
Already there!
Covering fire! Firing!
Cover me with all you
I
got!
can't hit 'em! They're suppressed, Red!
Paddock! Hurry up! Over there!
Got it!
Drill 'em! Take those bastards out! Get rolling!
I can't get a shot there!
Paddock! Move! Fast! Base of fire! Over there!
I can't get a shot there!
Roll!
Fire!
Paddock! Move now!
Get down! I'm taking fire here! Another down! What was that? He looks
Paddock!
hit!
Attack them!
Can't hit it! Covering fire! Can't hit it! There's no way, Red!
Paddock! Double time!
On it! That's a lot of fire, Red! I'm taking some fire here! Another down! Keep shooting!
Move!
Keep
Now! Paddock! I need you over there!
Roger that! Got it!
Move! Come on! Get over the target! The Paddock! Suppress! Paddock! Move! Head over there! Fire now! Give me some goddamn fire! Paddock! Move, start firing there!
Roger that!
Roger that!
Fire! Here we go! Be over here, Red! I can't hit him! I think we should get on their flank, Red! Covering fire!
There, shit!
What was that?
Cover me with all you got!
Covering some fire, man!
Fight in formation! Paddock, I need you all here now.
You heard him, let's go! On it!
Paddock, I need you over there!
Roger that!
Roger that!
Fire in the hole!
Get down!
Out in the open here, Red! Around us!
Go! 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 Paddock! Move! Take out that artillery! Paddock! Set up there!
Roger that!
Roger that!
Roll!
18!
I'm out! I'm out!
Paddock! Hit that artillery team!
Covering fire!
Drill them!
I can't hit it! I can't get a shot there!
More
What was
Germans!
that?
Red, get down!
Took down another! There's no way, Red!
Paddock!
They brought some prize!
Keep up the fire!
I can't hit him!
Covering fire!
I can't hit him! I can't get a shot there!
There's no way, Red!
Red, get down, man! There's no way, Red!
I can't hit him!
I can't hit him!
Paddock! Move!
Got it!
Give me some goddamn fire!
Fire!
Another down!
Paddock!
More crowd! Covering fire!
I can't get a shot there!
Verstanden!
I can't hit him!
Paddock! Double time! Hurry up, over there!
Move!
On it!
Move now!
Go, fellas! Roger that!
Got it!
Go!
Double time!
Roger that!
We're out in the open here, Red!
Kill him!
Covering fire!
Armor! There! No mercy for these bastards!
Firing!
Heavy base of fire! There! Now!
Pressure's on!
Get the hell over there! Cover me with all you got! Fire!
Get on their flank!
Assault! Now! Attack that son of a bitch!
There's no
Go!
Keep shooting! Keep shooting!
No way, Red!
Take that position!
Roger that!
Head over there! Damn it! Move! Paddock!
Let's
Go!
move!
Get the hell over there!
Double time! Got it!
Got it!
Move that way! Paddock! Move your asses!
Roger that!
The army!
They're coming back!
Go! 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 I need suppressing fire!
Pressure's on!
Paddock! Take his fire! Shift fire!
Fire!
Got it!
Another down!
Put some fire on him! Come on! Get over there!
Red, get down!
Paddock! Set up there!
Roger
Move
that.
your asses!
Double time! Got it!
On it!
Move your ass! Assault! Charge! Paddock! Move! Go! Move there!
On it!
Go over there! I need you over there!
On it!
Got it!
Paddock! Go! Get cover there!
Roger that!
It's smoking!
Hit him hard! Paddock!
Shit! They're still
There!
coming!
Put your
Dead.
fire there!
Covering fire!
Move! Get rolling! Move that fucking tank over there! Damn it! Move! Heavy fire on that armor!
Red! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! No more of them!
Paddock! I need you over there! Get up here!
On it!
Hurry up, over there!
Got it!
Go! Go!
I'm under some fire here!
Panic! Move now!
Too much fire! We got German armor here!
There's more! Get ready! More crouch!
Armor! There!
Taking fire! Red, get down, man!
Move in! Heavy fire!
Red, get down, man!
Come on! Get over there! Panic! Take those bastards out!
There! Crouch tank! Red, get down, man!
Fire on that tank! Panic! Set up there! I need to keep up the fire! Fire!
All around them! Fire!
Watch it!
There's no way, Red! What was that?
I can't hit him!
I can't hit him!
Take him out!
Taking fire! Covering fire! I can't get a shot! Took down another! No more of them! Let's figure something out here, guys! There's more crowds!
Kill him!
Red!
Panic! Target them!
There's no way, Red! Covering fire! Covering fire! Covering fire! I can't hit him! Took down another! No more of them! My mother wouldn't approve of this!
Gotta wonder what the odds were I'd find you again.
I see you're a sergeant now.
You too, huh? We're moving up fast. It just seemed... Jesus Christ, Red! What happened to your finger? Shit, you should have that looked at.
You know, I'm not entirely sure yet. It happened real fast. A lot of gunfire.
I'll buy you whiskey when we get back to England so you can forget all about it.